Hi there, it's Liz from Australian Cake Decorating Network. Just wanted to hop on quickly to let you know about our live webinar that's coming up soon with Lena Mack from Savvy Cake Sydney and Karen Stack from Lick the Bowl Cakes in Melbourne. So in the webinar, we're going to be talking about all things ganache and fondant. Our decorators are going to share their tips and techniques on how you can get really good results at home. So starting with ganache, we're going to be talking about the different methods in making ganache, the different ratios which depends on your climate, the storage and the shelf life of ganache, and how to apply it to square cakes and round cakes to get really good results. With fondant, we're going to be talking about how to knead and roll out your fondant so you don't get air bubbles. The great debate, whether you use corn flour, icing sugar, spray oil, what do our decorators use on their benches when rolling it out? How thick or thin you roll your fondant and how that really affects the end result that you get on your cake, and how to avoid common issues such as elephant skin and tearing on your fondant. This is going to be an interactive webinar where we're going to have a live troubleshooting session where people who are watching can submit their questions and our decorators will answer them live for you. So don't miss this opportunity to learn from Karen and Lena, and make sure that you do register for this webinar. You need to be registered so that we can email you the link, and you'll find the link to register below. See you there.